Welcome to Hypothyroidism 101. Hypothyroidism is when your thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormones, T3 and T4. This slows down your body's metabolism. Symptoms to watch out for. Common symptoms include fatigue, muscle aches, intolerance to cold, weight gain, dry skin, and hair loss. You might also notice constipation, puffiness around the eyes, and forgetfulness. Intervention. Let's get active. Treatment involves thyroid replacement therapy with levothyroxine. It's crucial to monitor heart rate and follow a healthy diet. Client instructions. Be a superhero. Teach clients to take medication in the morning, avoid sedatives, and report any signs of overdose. Provide a warm environment and encourage a low-calorie diet. Test your knowledge. What are the common symptoms of hypothyroidism? What medication is commonly used?